Welcome to you all concerned intelligent student and having equipped with well concept about the chapter in Kanha video, Kanha math classes. Now in continuation to previous video, I am going to solve or to find out the area or region bounded between the curves and a straight line. Very typical cases. This is very important questions. Under question number 10, we have given a parabola. This is positive along y-axis, x square is equal to 4ay type, and this is the straight line, x is equal to 4y minus 2. This is the second equation number second. By drawing a clear concept on the blackboard, this is the parabola x square is equal to 4y along with the y positive axis, and this is the AB straight line, having vertex A and B. Now we will find the point of intersection of the curve and straight line. We are going to find out the point of intersection of the curve and straight line. Here, for intersection of curve 1 and straight line 2, we have by these two equation, by putting the value of x from equation 2 to in equation number first, we will have x is equal to 4y minus 2 whole square. 4y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4y. That is 4y minus 2 whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 4y whole square means 16y whole square plus 4 minus 2ab. 16y is equal to 4y. Or by transferring, we will held here, so 16y square minus 16y, again by transfer this will become minus 4y, means 20y plus 4 is equal to 0. By dividing 4, we will get 4y square minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Again by factorization of this, minus 4y minus y means 5y, and minus 4y into minus y will become plus 4y. Here we will get 4y square minus 4y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Or by taking common here y means 4y, you may take common as 4y, means y minus 1, and here minus 1, this is equal to y minus 1 is equal to 0. Or y minus 1 into 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. It means y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and other value will be 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, means y is equal to 1 by 4. By this value y is equal to 1, we will find out the value of x. Hence x is equal to, keeping y is equal to 1, here 4 into 1 minus 2, that is 2, or first point will be equal to 1 to 1, 2 1, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, and further x will be find out by substituting value of y equal to 1 by 4, then x is equal to 4, y means y by 4 minus 2, 4 will be cut by 4, x is equal to 4y, y means 1 by 4, and minus 2, it will be equal to, x is equal to minus 2 minus 2, and for this value x is equal to minus 2 and y will be equal to 1 by 4. Now this is equal to 1 minus 2, here will see 4 will cut by 4, 1 minus 2 will be equal to minus 1. Hence x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1 by 4, or the point of intersection will be equal to minus 1 or 1 by 4. Here 2 point of intersection, in positive direction 2 1 and in negative direction minus 1 and 1 by 4. Here we will get here the 2 1, here point of intersection will be equal to 2 1, and here point of intersection will be equal to minus 1 4. Here we will write here minus 1 into 1 by 4, minus 1 into 1 by 4. Now if you take here a small and narrow strip and imagine the y ordinate or y coordinate y2 upon y1, so this the requisite strip length will be equal to y2 minus y1. Hence the region bounded, hence the region bounded is equal to A, and this will be equal to minus 1 to 2, minus 1 to 2, and here this is y2 minus y1 dx, y2 minus y1 dx, or A will be equal to minus 1 to 2, y2 means the point on straight line, y2 lies on the straight line OA, y2 means here if you want to 4y is equal to x plus 2. Now y means x plus 2 upon 4. Hence y2 means x plus 2 by 4. X plus 2 by 4 minus y1. Y1 means from this equation, this 4y is equal to, y1 means from equation of parabola, y1 means x square by 4. X square by 4. X square by 4. Dx. Now, due to lack of space, I want to rub some upper portion of the. Now, this is A is equal to integral minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 by 4. X plus 2 by 4 dx minus 1 to 2 x square by 4 dx. Now A is equal to by x by 4 plus 2 by 4. X by 4 plus 2 by 4 integral dx will be equal to x square 2 into 4 x square by 8. Here 2 by 4 1 by 2 integral 1 by 2 x, and this is under limit minus 1 to 2 minus x square by 4 x cube by 3 into 4 x cube by 12, and limit will be equal to minus 1 to 2. If we combine these two, A will be equal to x square plus 8 plus x by 2 minus x cube by 12. Here, putting the value of upper limit and lower limit, first of all, we will put the upper limit 2. Here, in the bracket, 2 square, here we have written x square by 8. X square by 8, 2 square by 8 plus 1 by 2, x means 2, here x square by 8, 2 by 2 minus x cube by 12. X cube means 2 cube by 12. This will be 2 square, means 4 by 8. Here plus 1, 2 2 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 into 2, 8 by 12 minus 8 by 12. 8 by 12, 8 by 12, and here giving the lower limit, we will here x square by 8 minus 1 square by 8 minus 1 by 2, and here plus minus plus 1 by 12. This is upper limit and This is lower limit. Lower limit. Now this will become 4 by 8, 1 by 2 plus 1. This is 8 by 12 minus 2 by 3, and this is minus 1 by 8, and minus minus plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 12. After all, the LCM of all the denominator will be equal to 24. Now 12 plus 24 minus 16 minus 3 plus 12 minus 2. This will be equal to, adding plus only, 36, 48 minus 28. 12 plus 24, 36 plus 12, 48. 48 minus 19 minus 2, 21 upon 24. This is equal to 8 minus 1, 7, and 27 upon 24. 3 9 ja 27, 3 8 ja 24, 9 by 8. This is the requisite bounded area, 9 by 8. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.